Yeah. What's up, it's J2O, man? Keep it real, FOREX KING. Out here, about to show a quick video how to catch about 40 pips or more in the market. So right now, I'm looking at AUDUZ pair. I'm looking at a 4-hour chart. Right now, I draw my zones, area of support and resistance. Right here is area of resistance, area of support, area of resistance, that's also support, but resistance, area of resistance. So let's get it. Let's get it. So right now, you got to understand the trend. Is it an uptrend or downtrend? So you want to grab a wick area and have a trend line and kind of capture multiple wicks. The more wicks, the better to confirm the trend. So I'm catching from June 30th all the way to the August current time frame. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. So let's say if we were trading this, we would look for buy opportunities. And for buy opportunities, we'll look for like entries to buy off the trend line. So I would have bought, hold on one second, y'all. I would have bought from this zone here, aiming for, let's say right now it's like 50 pips. I'll just aim to this area of resistance. And my stop loss, you can use your stop loss to the next zone area, but for risk to reward ratio, you want to have it pretty high, like 1 to whatever. You don't want to have it below 1%, I would say, for risk to reward ratio. So stop loss, I might do like 33 pips, targeting not 42, but I would target 80. So based off this, you can see that I'm going to buy off this trend line. I could take profit 1 in this zone here, or wait for take profit 2 in this zone above here. So understanding that, you can make quick, nice, decent pips in the market. You can also use Fibonacci retracements to like help determine how to catch like the retracements in the market. So right now, if you want to catch a buy entry, you can buy a buy entry off this area of resistance support. Let me draw it right here. So you can buy off this area if you're using retracements, because you already know it's an uptrend, and you could target the retracement when it hits this area to get in for a buy. So as you can see here, market rejected off this area of support and continue to the upside. So this is an easy like 80 something pips, I believe what I said earlier. Yeah, like 80, 81 pips. And stop loss, obviously you want it to be less than 81 pips. So I'm doing about like 33. So good risk to reward ratio of about 2.4. You can do 30 pips stop loss if you want. But it's like a nice, easy trade, an easy buy opportunity. By using the higher time frame to know the trend, you got caught this move, and then zooming into lower time frame to get better entries and buying off support and resistance zones. So that's how you can catch an easy 80 pips. And pretty much, yeah, that's simple. So definitely trade what you see, go with the trend, and you should be all right. So I'm trying to keep the video short, but that's just one example on how you got caught this move. So comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. You already know we are out here. Peace.